to the desired size, making demolition and recycling task. Forward in logistics with the introduction and first to adopt this innovative track This dual-power system combines electric and offering reduced emissions and lower key costs. For the mill's expansion in impressively within just 1 week for 135 tons per hour. Prepare for a gain designed for maximum efficiency. This tool is perfect for spreading stones and debris. Its powerful hydraulic drive and durable wear-resistant ensuring the DAP screening enhances productivity while reducing labor intensity. A must-have for boosting efficiency on any construction project. The silent yet incredibly powerful giant that loads dump trucks with tons of soil without emissions or noise. Its electric motor operates with surgical precision, perfect for strict environmental safe operation. Construction equipment, precisely and swiftly loading logs into cargo holds. With exceptional maneuverability, it can handle trees weighing up to 20 tons in limited space every load. In April 20th, Garden Pier, the Grand Dredger from Kayama of Land Infrastructure Transport and Tourism showcased its unmatched ability by lifting an enormous volume of earning a spot in the Guinness Book of World as the largest dredger status as a record-breaking machine. The SMHCSU bucket elevator at the heights of 100 feet per hour. It integrates high-tech sensors and an automated control built with robust steel construction. It's designed to withstand tough not only optimizes material transport, a true revolution in industrial material transportation. The R9800 mining excavator combines adaptability with high productivity. Customers can choose between a Cummins or Liebherr diesel and an electro-hydraulic version is also available. When paired with a T-64, T-74 or T-80 for dump truck, the R9080 becomes a cost and highly efficient solution for large-scale mining projects. CAT 6090 is a hydraulic excavator built for heavy-duty mining and quarrying. It's designed to move large volumes of rock quickly and efficiently with a precision hydraulic system. It offers smooth, controlled movement of the boom and arm, allowing operators to position the machine accurately for digging tasks. Model A988 loader. It boasts the capability to lift up to 20 tons effortlessly, ensuring both high efficiency and operational safety. The loader is equipped with a powerful state-of-the-art control technology. Its durable design makes it a valuable asset in stone maximizing productivity. SM Machine, the RG21 features the CSM system is fully resistant to vibrations and subsidence. The Komatsu D370 Fivia. A dozer is a powerful and robust machine, engineered to handle the most demanding tasks in the construction and mining industry. This bulldozer to enhance operator comfort and productivity. The D370 Fivia 8 features ensuring a comfortable and quiet working combination of power, durability, and operator. O703 Super Loader for a German customer, enabling it to perform highly complex tasks. This efficient and robust machine is designed to tackle demanding mining operations with precision and Apple grasps the trunk and slices it instantly, as if the wood were mere paper without a single precision jolt and power embodied in every cut. Guess what? Push the boundaries with the Dino model of high-performance drilling. This maneuverable, all-terrain drilling is designed to work in the most demanding, providing accurate drilling of holes from engineered for maximum stability and guarantees outstanding and helps you exceed your expectations. Its reliability make this unit an indispensable for those looking to lead the industry. The Mrs. 20 rock saw from Amy Attachments is designed for precision stone cutting, making it an ideal tool for demanding mining and construction featuring tasks. A 40-inch cutting. It can cut up to 18 inches deep, powered by a robust 150 horsepower engine for maximum efficiency. With a weight of 25 pounds and durable construction, this rock saw ensures long-term reliability and is built to handle the toughest working conditions. It is a valuable asset for heavy-duty projects. Under the direction of Johan Bundt Bontemeremang, the Ugal Pipeline construction showcases international collaboration in laying a double gas over 65,617 This ambitious project brings together cutting-edge and the expertise of leading European companies, contributing to enhanced energy independence and supply security. The UGOL initiative not only ensures stable energy but also generates new job opportunities and stimulates economic growth, benefiting the local community and the region's infrastructure development. When you need to do to machine, this excavator isn't just power changer. Its robust engine and durable teeth make it work of any soil, allowing you to carve out drainage or concrete walls with precision. When faced with tough slurry, the Komatsu PC 1250 tears through hard ground effortlessly with this. The new standout in industrial design and intelligent engineering. All customer demands with remarkable durability and reliability. Driven by an 18.1-liter Perkins engine, delivering in Tucson, Arizona, the impressive demolition of an old bridge is underway. executed by massive tracked vehicles equipped with hydraulic shears, cases the power of modern construction and underscores the complexity and watching these colossal machines systematically dismantle the structure is illustrating the eternal cycle of destruction and creation. It offers a profound insight objects on infrastructure development. Rival Range includes innovative solutions that offer efficient, reliable, and cost-effective performance in various drainage applications, soil types, and groundwater levels. The new 4020 model was developed to meet for ahead for installing drainage. 4020 drainage plow prioritizes operator comfort while adhering to strainage pipes of varying to a depth of 70 inches and is powered by a Volvo Penta stage for diesel RATED at 315 kilowatts or for 128 horsepower. The Caterpillar D6C is a bulldozer for which the word impossible. Its tooth ripper breaks through even the densest rock, and its spear indispensable for construction and forestry work. If you think Grab Dredger Goshau in action with its massive 100-cubic bucket, this colossal machine dominates the dust. Whether it's clearing out entire beaches or lifting it had paddles instead of teeth. If there were a competition for crawler machines, this behemoth would undoubtedly steal the show. The REMUEP series screening bucket represents a breakthrough designed to optimize lifting capacity without compromising volume. Available in multiple sizes, these buckets are suitable for excavators weighing 40 tons and above. Featuring a star screen mechanism, they efficiently sift materials while preserving solid components. The screen output size is about 8 inches smaller than the blade spacing. Making this bucket perfect for fractionating materials. Composting and loosening various substances. The dissected truck layer is a revolutionary piece of heavy machinery that has transformed the construction and infrastructure development industry. Combining advanced technology, exceptional power, and unmatched versatility. Its standout feature is its ability to lay quickly and accurately. The dissect track ensure activity in railway construction projects. One of the most intriguing wheel loaders to be 50 electrically driven with the energy savings and high efficiency. And featuring an 18 cubic meter bucket. This electrifying 130 to 200 ton mining dump trucks. Transportation. The XC90-350 is equipped with a steering system and advanced energy-saving technology. The next trencher is one of the largest chain trenchers specifically designed for laying large diameter and digging deep trenches. It is powered by an 800 horsepower diesel engine. This machine can from 12 to 150. A vital tool for large-scale excavation and construction projects. The Sleep Nerd DB120 Viper to 71 drill forms a formidable duo that revolutionizes the efficiency and mobility of robust and versatile carrier designed for heavy machinery transportation. With its impressive load capacity and rugged construction, it effortlessly transports the Epiroc Pit Viper to 71 drill to combination enhances operational efficiency, allowing for seamless relocation and improved productivity. Its powerful grapple grabs trees with incredible strength, haul massive loads of logs through swamps and ravines, where other machines retreat. This skitter charges forward, the Fractum Hammer Molvo 380 excavator, its impact energy. That the rock effectively disintegrates. This hammer's braking principle resembles that of a convention, where Australia with tremendous force causing it to splinter. Resulting in immediate disintegration. Additionally, there's no need to transport large boulders for braking, as the excavator with the Fracken Model 100 can drive directly to each stone, making the process highly efficient. The UNAC Rail Model 2T railroad excavator is packed with impressive features. It can lift loads up to 6 and tons, boasts 2 motorized rail for hydrostatic movement and braking. The machine is also equipped with a special boom system that limits movement when working under live wire, ensuring safety and reliability during operations. The Technique Hero Slag Taurus is a specialized and robust slag designed for handling the abrasive and heavy nature of slag, a byproduct of industrial processes like metal smelting. Engineered to meet the demanding requirements of industrial settings, the Slag Taurus excels in transporting slag with ease material and efficiency, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. Stand the challenges of slag handling, making it the wet soil showed no mercy even for this powerful machine, which now has to be pulled out with cables. Wheels spin, tracks slip, but the machinery doesn't give up. Compact yet robust design, an ergonomic cab model excels on steep slopes and soft ground alike. With 190 horsepower and an exceptionally low curb weight of less than 20,000, the Raptor 180 pounds. This compact vehicle is the ideal choice for land clearing lanes. The Kemrock X60 HD plowing machine. It's highly efficient in planing asphalt and with concrete. A 23.6-inch making holes known for its precision. This planner leaves surfaces with ease. Whether you're restoring old roads or preparing delivers professional grade results in no time. Meet the SLR-150 from Diego and Thor, a powerhouse of heavy-duty capable of and a stand for complex tasks in industries like and robust hydraulic technology, handling of super heavy loads, making intricate operations far. See what heavy-duty robots can achieve. Introducing a new generation of trailer movie production. This trailer is developed in collaboration with Trident. Its hydraulic rear axle control provides exceptional adaptability and precise control scenarios. Additionally, the trailer is user-friendly, offering quick add with a sufficient film production. Maneuvering a giant truck on a narrow road is no small feat. The outcome is obvious. It's stuck. And now it's not just about turning it around, but also about staying calm in the process. The Etna is a specialized machine designed for precise and efficient distribution, typically used before applying even spread rates across making it perfect for large-scale road and resurfacing projects. The machine is user-friendly, featuring intuitive controls which enhance its operational efficiency and make it a go-to solution for high-quality and road infrastructure development. Are the joys of winter sports. But before you can glide down snow-covered Bombardier's Snow Groomer is hard. This powerful machine ensures the snow for smooth riding while it's trimming attachments. Clear away branches, making the trail safe. So when you're racing down those perfectly prepared, don't forget the unsung hero that made it all possible. The Bombardier Snow Groomer, keeping winter trails in top shape for your adventures. A skilled operator carefully maneuvers his cat out of the creek, and make no mistake, expertise triumphed over the elements. The machine is now safely back on dry land. The machine effectively digs into roadside, clearing away unwanted vegetation and precisely trimming the area. The motor efficiently grinds branches, leaving behind a smooth, even landscape. Masterpiece's Caterpillar D60 bulldozers showcase. With each sweep of the D60's blade, the ground is careful, powerful. They transform ordinary tasks into extraordinary performances. Whether on a construction site or in a field, the Caterpillar D60 turns practical work into something visually captivating. SRD is mauling with a robust 130. This machine meters. Expertly breaks down old cars, tackling everything. It's dealing with plastic panels, metal frames, or worn-out engines. This beast can handle 5 SRD will efficiently reduce them to manageable. Final send-off. Armed with a high-powered motor and this chipper rapidly transforms short logs into fine chips. Its automatic feed system enables uninterrupted while the reinforced. You're now seeing on the screens a DFM Feller Buncher, a special. When paired with a Deere track, it forms an effective combination. The operator acquired length ranging from 3 to 8 allowing access to trees in difficult locations. The machine then grips and cuts, bagging them and stack additionally. The machine can cut down trees located to the right in front and to the left within the boom's reach. CAMC has successfully printed a real-to-story residential 90 square meters and a height of 8 meters using Europe's particularly largest unique is that this is the one floor this house was printed as part financially by the European Regional Development Fund. The project aimed to increase the construction industry in using 3 such homes. Significant emissions and waste now we can only watch. In April 2016, First Spiritualist Church of originally built in 1887 was moved for 100 feet to make way for the MGM Springfield Casino. This delicate relocation was executed by lifting the 3-story building and 20 hydraulic jacks. It was then translocation. The move highlights the successful use of modern technology to preserve heritage conservation with progress. Key panel is the ideal solution for access roads, temporary roads, beach areas, and flooring. The medium ground mobility enhances the mobility of vehicles and with pneumatic tires by stabilizing the ground, especially when ground pressure is very low. This equipment is compatible with front-end loaders, making it well-suited for multi-purpose operations that require creating long access roads efficiently and effectively. When you need to spread stones and gravel quickly, the CAS-87 Rock Slinger is the perfect solution. With a throw range of up to 100 this machine is ideal for handling challenging on construction sites, especially in tight urban spaces or on steep slopes. The AT7 makes material distribution allowing you to focus on other key tasks. Its versatility and make the Rock Slinger an indispensable for any construction project. When a unique transportation solution is the extended section semi-trailer from Yangzhou Vulcan Machinery Manufacturing Limited becomes indispensable. This innovative semi-expandable section allowing for efficient space utilization needs additionally, the rotating wheels provide outstanding maneuverability, even in making this semi-trailer the ideal solution with maximum convenience and safety. And engineering mastery, the wheels of the multi-ton platform, clear commands and precise movements. One misstep could hold this colossal machine. A log trailer skidding trailer with a manipulator takes control of the forest with its sturdy steel arm. The telescopic boom extends up to 20 feet, while are placed as straight as a ruler. A few swift moves, the forest is neatly organized. The spring axe is a brilliant fusion of tradition and in a powerful spring, adding extra energy to the strike and making splitting, but still requires some physical effort. This tool significantly boosts efficiency as logs. This powerful mini trencher is built to handle the toughest digging jobs. Depth of up to 5 feet and a width of up to 12 effortlessly inches. Through hard and rocky Using its innovative, the operator adjusts the settings and the machine's rotating cutter goes to effectively breaking up ice result. Edge Compact Power Tool, offering exceptional cutting performance in a portable package. Ideal for professional woodworkers and in the Mini Max, or combines a powerful motor with a sharp cutting blade, including wood, plastic, and certain metals. For a wide range of cutting tasks. The streets of Ottawa, Ontario, Detroit diesel engine after loaders and graders push the snow into tracks. The combination of its strength makes snow removal both effective. Proves that even older technology can handle modern challenges. Its way to the Kanovich Aviation Museum for spectators for the museum. The beaten-buck Boss Beast is a powerhouse Mercedes Actros 8x4 equipped with an FR 2055 8S and 6SHD cargo crane. This heavy-duty vehicle excels in strength, designed for the most demanding construction tasks. Its 8-section main boom and 6-section extended enable it to reach places where others can't, making it a standout in the lifting industry. Enhanced with advanced safety and control, the Boss Beast sets a new standard for reliability and efficiency in lifting operations. Kubler Expedition recently transported several large ship including parts, the excursion vessel Ms. Ed, from point A to point B for further transportation. The vessel arrived in Bavaria, brought from a shipyard near Bonn, and was brought ashore into the hole on Monday evening. The transportation was 223 feet long, nearly 32 feet wide Weiser. Despite these challenges, you can see for yourself how Kubler Expedition's powerful managed this seemingly impossible. Ponds are no longer a problem. In just minutes, its toothy drum devour processing. The process is continuous feeding, shredding, and unloading. A scene you can't overturn on the A15 exit in Rotterdam. Here's a plot. Here comes the main star. Massive crane. Everything pauses, they pull, lift, and boom, the truck is back on its wheels, as if in a slow-motion action film. When you think of Victoria, it's usually performing a delicate waltz with massive wind turbine blades. Parts like they're handling breakfast paratroopers. Watching them work, it's like witnessing a mechanical ballet, where each turbine is finally ready for its grand entrance into the world of renewable energy. It's a perfect blend of grace and raw power. Box Loader's X-trim side loader sets a new standard if it's X, boasting an unmatched lifting capacity of 44 tons in any position. It also features the longest reach available, offering 55.10 inches of clearance between a fully robust machine can handle or have uneven. A low-frame trailer with a telescopic frame extending to accommodate varying load lengths. The extendable sections widen the platform, ensuring a secure structure. This design provides flexibility and stability, flex loads efficiently. The Classic V amphibious dredger offers an unprecedented combination of mobility and elevate Watermaster's performance in both soft unchanged and hard from the first generation, nearly tripled compared to the Classic 4. The Classic 5 boasts a 50% in Yes, transporting such a cargo is a challenge, but he who doesn't take risks doesn't drink champagne. The competition between giants Koga and Dave Benoit is not just a show, but a roaring clash of engines and clouds of black smoke. It might not do much for the environment, but it delivers a spectacle as powerful as Mont Laurier itself. Transporting key industrial equipment parts weighing about over a distance of more than 220 yards may sound Bellarmire's Yankee Dryer made it possible. Using a specialized transport system, the tank was completed efficiently in just 7 evenings. Proper logistics ensured minimal production and preserved the quality of the equipment during transportation. This feat highlights the expertise and capability in handling heavy and complex industrial transportation tasks. When the logs challenge you, the gearbox splitter responds with a forceful blow. Place a log inside and in moments, it's transformed into tidy fire. All while you stay cool and effortless. Just remember to gather your freshly chopped and a sense of accomplishment. Imagine logs being transformed into neat billets by a hammer and rotating wheel. This metal marvel smashes the wood into pieces with one powerful strike, while a belt conveyor quickly moves them along the process. This machine turns firewood preparation into an efficient conveyor operation, saving both time and effort. This heavy-duty tugger expertly hauls massive logs out of the forest. Its strong traction and precise make it invaluable in challenging conditions. The quality of towing determines the success of the logging operation. Thick mud traps a truck, but the tracked D508 rushes to assist. Like a loyal companion, it grips the ground and powerfully pushes its partner forward. Together they conquer the elements and continue their journey. MUD is no reason to stop. Caught on camera, a Gazelle truck drove head-on into a tree. Whether it was due to the road conditions or the driver's error is anyone's guess. Not only heavy, but also non-standard loads require special treatment during transportation. Exceeding the speed limit on this is going to be a little hard for the truck. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be anywhere near such a dangerous cargo. Crocklift continues to amaze with its innovative machine design. They're amphibious trailers equipped with tracks instead of traditional effortlessly maneuver on both land and water. Watching these machines dive into the water to retrieve is truly impressive. These trailers represent not just advanced but technology, a masterpiece of engineering designed to solve unique challenges in extreme conditions. The Sintrac is a high-performance machine designed for various applications, including road maintenance and grass cutting. Its robust construction and advanced make it efficient and effective in cutting grass along similar areas. One of its notable advantages is its exceptional maneuverability, allowing it to navigate and operate in tight and challenging spaces. There are moments when words are simply unnecessary. Better to pause and watch, as the process itself tells the story far more vividly and colorfully than any commentary ever could. Imagine a revolutionary trailer that transforms into a mobile shredder. This innovative design features to rotating mechanisms inside, turning the trailer into a powerful solution for processing various materials like garden waste, furniture, and construction debris. Capable of handling up to 1,763 pounds, it ensures significant productivity boost on site. With its durable build and easy this trailer isn't just a cargo transporter. It's a full-scale shredding plant ready to tackle diverse tasks in any condition. Cutting down a giant silver maple with a powerful 500i chainsaw and a 60-inch bar. Serious tools for serious tasks. Handling such a saw is a challenge in itself. But watch how it effortlessly takes on this arboreal giant. American trucks are famous not only for their shiny but also for their excellent performance. A road train with a three-way dump truck can do a lot. It feels like whoever's driving can back up with his eyes closed. Maybe he does. In an instant, a powerful tool slices through. And moments later, the majestic tree starts to fall. With a loud crack, the massive trunk lands on the ground.